invested in multiple mutual funds, especially through different platforms, you have probably wished there was one place to see everything. Well, that's exactly what a Consolidated Account Statement or CAS does. And in this video, we are breaking it down for you in the simplest way possible. What is a Consolidated Account Statement? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So what is a CAS? A Consolidated Account Statement or CAS is a single document that gives you a complete overview of all your mutual fund investments regardless of which AMC or platform you have used. Think of it like your bank statement, but for all mutual funds combined. It is issued by NSDL or CDSL, the two main depositories in India, and it includes details like your fund names, number of units held, NAVs, folio numbers, and the current value of your investments. And the best part, you don't have to log into 5 different apps or keep track of separate emails. CDSL or NSDL sends you a monthly or quarterly report depending on how active your investments are. Now, here's something most investors don't know. You can request your CAS online. Just go to the NSDL or CDSL website, punch in your PAN and email, and boom, you'll get the full report in your inbox. Why is this important? It is important because it helps you track your portfolio better, spot duplicate or inactive folios, and keep your financial life organized. Plus, it's super helpful during tax season. So if you're serious about managing your investments wisely, start using your Consolidated Account Statement. It's simple, free, and incredibly useful. That's it for now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bite-sized investing guidance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.